Grace Grace here, and today we're in the car. See, there's Slash Elsa, pretty big. Her mommy's driving, so I'm not going to wave the camera in her face. I'm sure she appreciates that, and I'm sure all of you do, because we're not going to die. So, today, we're doing an interesting video. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's Make It Monday. So let's make it at some point today. We're going to the Dollar Tree to get slime ingredients. We're hoping to get glue, glitter, a lot of glitter.
Awesome.
And hopefully contact solution. I'm assuming they have it. Hopefully. I don't know if assuming is the right word. I hope they have it. They probably do. Hopefully. So if we can't find that, we have contact solution at home, so we can use that. But then it won't be Dollar Tree slime. So if we can find that, it will be Dollar Tree slime. So we are almost at Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
I will see you guys there. We're back after like 1 second of your time. But really, we ate lunch, watched an episode of TV.
Finished school.
Drove home, finished school. I made ice cream. It didn't really work, so it's in the freezer.
But it was yummy.
It was so good. So here's our stuff from Dollar Tree, just to prove to you that it's Dollar Tree, even though you saw the sign at the store. We have our bowl, our shaving cream, our spoon, our glue, our contact solution.
We hope.
We hope. And glitter and our bowl.
That's loosened.
Get that out of there. That's not from Dollar Tree. Oh, she's not from Dollar Tree either. That's why she's falling behind the camera.
I'm not falling behind the camera.
You're from the Dollar Tree.
And you always do. Glitters.
Okay, so let's get one of the glues, because I don't think we're using both.
Not to start with, but we'll see.
Yeah. It doesn't look good.
You want me to come?
Yes.
Give them full.
Okay, I got most of it. So now, next, let's add our glitter. Copious amounts of glitter. So, okay. Blue or green, camera mommy?
A little bit of both.
Okay. So let's start with the green.
Uh-oh.
Does it smell glitter?
What did you buy?
Poster paint. Well, it's paint. It will still work.
Never implied it did. Okay.
Okay, well.
So
So let's add the eye drops. Camera mommy read the back. It had all the right ingredients as the borax eye. The
Wow, I
borax
found
stuff.
a pot that did my sign.
So let's eye drop the eye drops into the drops. I mean, slime.
Then I don't. Wow, I actually kind of like it.
Not
Like this,
yet.
like pets. This little one, mostly white, yellow.
Let's go drop. Drop, drop.
This might take forever.
Drop, 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 drop.
Two
drop,
eye
drop,
drops.
drop, drop, drop.
Nope.
Well, you can squirt it. Okay.
So what are these eye drops for?
If your eyes are red and itchy, I guess.
Never actually itch your eyes, yo.
Is it working? I think it is.
I'm just gonna add 2 drops at first. Mine was not turning to dollar as good because I only had 2 at first. I don't want to do you want to. I don't like it either.
It's working! To pick it up. So guys, this
It didn't work.
this is what we have so far. We've used up all of our
I'm gonna wash my hands.
we've used all of our eye
with
drops,
Hazel.
and this is what we got too. So if it works, which it worked for a little bit, you're going to need a lot more than 1 bottle, or at least more if you're doing 2 slimes. I don't know about with 1 slime because we shared it with hers. But, well, please like this video and subscribe to ISP Show in the comments down below. Let us know if you'd like to try this concept again some other time. I love you, my little icicles. Bye!